Greetings! Thank you so much for joining us for another edition of Tips and Tricks, where we share some nuggets of knowledge that we hope you can apply to your everyday workflow. I'm Christian Sorensen, Learning Strategist at Planet Technologies. In this episode, we'll be focused on Microsoft Planner. For those of you who don't know, Microsoft Planner is a simple, visual way to organize teamwork. It allows you to quickly create plans, invite your team, and assign tasks to get started. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the checklist and label features within Planner. Checklist items let you break down your task into bits and pieces that need to be executed in order to complete that task. Labels make it easy to organize and identify your various tasks. Let's take a look at these features in action. Checklist items. From the Planner Hub, select the plan you'd like to work on. Next, select the task that you want to add checklist items to. About halfway down this window, you'll see the checklist area. Click in the Add an Item field and type in what needs to get done. If you select Show on Card, when you close this window, you'll see the checklist items are now listed under that task. This is a great way to capture and track the details within a given task. Labels. From within a plan, choose a task to label. In the upper area of the window, click on Add Label. Choose any color. You can even give the label a specific title. Just click on the chosen label and type the title that you want. You can then find and apply these labels to other tasks. Labels make it easy to organize and identify your various tasks. Thanks again for joining us for Tips and Tricks. We certainly hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit that like button down below. Also, if you have any questions or are curious about connecting with the Planet Technologies Learning Strategist, don't hesitate to send an email to info@futureproofyourworkforce.com. See you next time.